Taishan Fenlin Swimming Pool and Water Treatment Equipment Company Limited is a branch of Guangzhou Fenlin Swimming Pool and Sauna Equipment Company Limited, which adheres to technical innovations, quality-oriented, continuously meeting customers' demand in the fierce competition, and we're deeply trusted by clients from home and abroad. Since established in 2005, Guangzhou Fenlin has developed into a marketing enterprise with 11 independent departments, such as independent research and development, manufacturing, quality control, and net sales services for 16 years. Taishan Fenlin, as a branch of Guangzhou Fenlin, produces pool water treatment equipment and accessories and other pool series, especially professional in producing fiberglass sand filters. We have a large, efficient, and full production line and sand filters. You are welcome to visit us. At the end of 2013, in the evaluation of Alibaba's global gold suppliers, Fenlin won the title of Gold Supplier, and in the same year, it established its own brands, Fenlan and Water Fairy. Entering 2021, Fenlin people strive to align with the world-renowned high-speed rail of China and equip the world with the passion and speed of Chinese manufacturing. Our products has been sold to Europe, America, Middle East, South Africa, Asia, and other countries and regions with high international brand image and good reputation. Many types of products have won the inspection certificate issued by various domestic authoritative organizations and the EU CE certification.